door pins and bushings in. First up, little Louis-doo. Just want to keep it from having to hold it up, really. Let's see if his chisel will work. Do I need a bigger hammer? I don't think that's going anywhere. I don't appear to be moving. I'm tearing out my van.
That ain't cool. Okay, upon further investigation with the AI, we were doing it right the first time. But, you know. Pretty good. What are you guys doing? Trying to figure out how to hit it. Got any ideas? Go. Take 5. Josh A says we're dumb and he's got this shit.
I never said that.
Bottoms out. You want to turn? You gotta wait.
Okay, so what we're doing here is we're just going to go ahead and take the doors off. That way it's easier for us to get what tools we have available on there to press the pin out, as you should see momentarily.
No, just hold it right there. We can get to it now.
Like this? That is so close. Okay, that makes sense. Now that I can see it, it makes sense. Yeah. You got that? Where to put it?
Line it up against the other.
So here, the tool we're using to get the pin out on the top is just your run-of-the-mill ball joint press. And it's got the open end on one side of the C-clamp, which I'm using on the top. And then just using the rod to push it up and out, just enough for us to get up under there and knock it out with that there screwdriver or anything you have that you can get in there and hit with a hammer to press it on out.
That's one block.
Kind of bent too. See? Bent.
So here on the bottom one, I flipped the ball joint tool over, and we took a piece of angle iron to put on the bottom, and then the top of the pin it fits perfectly inside the ball joint rod when you take out your little cap or extension, if your tool is like that. So that's just something that I found that kind of helped us out. And then just use the air hammer to knock it out, which we could have done that on the top too. Dealer's choice. These guys don't think when I'm not around all the time. So sometimes I'm like, hey, we got fancy tools. Why not use them? Air hammer works very well for a lot of different things. So if you don't got one, you ought to get one.
Hey, just to prove that I'm an outside-the-box thinker, we could just take the other door off so it matches.
I'm not completely opposed to it if it were spring instead of fall.
Ooh, fair point.
So we tried a new video style this time with this door pin video. We tried to use multiple phones, GoPros, different angles, etc. to attempt to push my limits with this new editing thing. I can't. I've lost the rest of this video, guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what to... I don't know what else to tell you. So, you're just going to have to trust that we got the doors back on the van. As a matter of fact, if I think of these videos chronologically here, you will see that the doors are back on the van. Okay, there's another video after this one that's already done. Man, I've been all over the place. Okay, but it's there. They're fixed. They're on. The only issues we seem to be having is they're not wanting to line up quite right, but this is the shitty van, guys. All right, and just be happy. It's done. We're happy it's done. Okay, it's so much better, so much better. So as usual, if you've made it this far in the video, we'd like to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know, bear with us. We're getting better at this, I think. So we'll catch you next time. Peace.